Yo, what's good, everybody? Stop everything you're doing right now because these next 5 minutes are going to completely ruin bees for you in the best way possible. Here are the 10 most insane, scientifically proven bee facts that will make you scared to ever swat one again. Let's dive in. Number 10. Bees can recognize human faces. Bee researchers literally trained bees to remember specific human faces. They showed bees photos of people, and the bees flew to the right face days later for a sugar reward. Bees have better memory than half the people I went to school with. Number 9. Wings beat 11,400 times per minute. Each bee flaps its wings 11,400 times every single minute. That's 190 times per second. That buzzing sound, it's not cute. It's a micro helicopter trying to escape Earth's gravity. Number 8. They commit suicide when they sting you. When a bee stings you, the stinger is barbed like a fishing hook. It gets stuck, rips out the bee's entire abdomen and poison sac, and the bee dies in minutes. That little monster just kamikazed itself because you annoyed it. Number 7. The waggle dance equals bee GPS. Bees don't just dance for fun. The famous waggle dance is actual GPS. The angle tells direction to the sun, the duration tells distance, and the speed says how good the flowers are. Scientists decoded it, and it's more accurate than Google Maps in 1950s. Number 5. Honey never spoils, ever. Archaeologists found pots of honey in 3,000-year-old Egypt, and it was still perfectly edible. Honey is the only food that literally never goes bad. You could eat honey older than Jesus and be totally fine. Number 4. Bees are trained to detect bombs and cancer. The US and UK military train bees to smell explosives. They're more accurate than dogs and way faster. Scientists also train bees to detect lung cancer, diabetes, even COVID from breath samples. Bees are basically living medical scanners. Number 3. Royal jelly turns any baby into a queen. When the queen dies, workers pick a random normal larva and feed it royal jelly non-stop. That baby grows 50% bigger, lives 40 times longer, and becomes the new queen. It's like feeding a peasant magic potion, and suddenly she rules the entire kingdom. Number 2. Bees see colors we can't even imagine. Bees see ultraviolet light. To them, flowers have neon landing strips, bullseyes, and secret patterns we're completely blind to. The world looks like a rave party to bees, and we're just living in grayscale. Number 1. 1 jar of honey equals lifetime work of hundreds of bees. And the absolute craziest, a single worker bee produces only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in her entire 6-week life. That means the small jar in your kitchen, that's the lifetime work of about 700 to 800 bees that flew the distance to the moon and back just so you can sweeten your tea. Mind officially blown. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment your favorite number below. If you're now terrified and obsessed with bees at the same time, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because next video, we're doing octopuses. And trust me, it gets way darker. Respect the bees, and I'll see you in the next one.